NASA mystery. Strange magnetic pulses at midnight baffle scientists studying Mars. This is by Sebastian Catley on Express UK. NASA's InSight Mars probe detected mysterious magnetic pulses striking the red planet like clockwork, and these are happening every night, and they're happening every night at midnight. The witching hour, what can I tell you? That's very strange. NASA's InSight lander has been collecting data from Mars since the end of November 2018. The NASA probe was designed to investigate the inner workings of Mars. It was to be creating 3D maps of its interior and measuring the planet's seismicity. But the scientists analyzing the treasure trove of information collected by InSight uncovered a very unusual set of data. The researchers found a series of magnetic pulses occurring every single day around midnight, local time Mars, of course. The Mars probe comes equipped with a sensitive magnetometer. It's an instrument to pick up variations in the planet's and the lander's magnetic field. The instrument detected long pulsating trains lasting as long as 2 hours, with wave periods of just 1 minute. The findings were presented in the paper at the European Planetary Science Congress and the American Astronomical Society meeting in Geneva, Switzerland. The paper reads, quote, "During nighttime conditions near midnight local time, long pulsation trains are occasionally detected in the magnetic field. These can last as long as 2 hours and have wave periods of over 1 minute. These waves are strongest in the north direction and weakest vertically." End quote. The source of the pulses is unknown, but researchers want to investigate if they originate underground or if they're originating on the surface. Whatever the case may be, the findings paint a picture of a planet considerably different to our own. Mars lost its natural magnetosphere billions of years ago, which exposed the red planet to the elements, harsh space radiation washing over the planet, turning it into a barren desert at a time when it more closely resembled Earth. But thanks to InSight and its experiments, researchers have found magnetic elements in the planet's crust are about 10 times stronger than on Earth. The remnants of Mars' magnetosphere are also extending from 60 miles to more than 250 miles above the planet. For comparison, Earth's magnetosphere extends as far as 40,000 miles into space. The researchers believe all of the measurements have strong implications for future exploration efforts. They wrote, "The strong magnetization seen in the surface rocks indicates that much can be learned about the dynamics of the crust from magnetometers carried on rovers. We strongly counter a cross-disciplinary approach to studying the surface of Mars. Mars magnetism could revolutionize our understanding of the emplacement of the crust of Mars in much the same way as the magnetic surveys of the Earth's oceans have revolutionized our understanding of terrestrial tectonics." If you'd like to join me on my Patreon account, you will hear content not covered by mainstream media. These riveting stories will be based on my research, and I will state my opinions and give my personal insight on diverse and controversial subjects and world events not covered by mainstream media, and not supported by YouTube guidelines. So whatever I have on my Patreon, most of those will not be on my YouTube channel. Please consider becoming a member today. More of the most significant and important videos will be on my Patreon channel. Your support helps me to continue my research and keeps this YouTube channel alive. And we depend on your support, your generous charity, because we help economically challenged families here in Athens, Greece, in Kapota, and we also help the young generation with university tuition, and the community around our church. Thank you.